Good morning, folks. Welcome back to my channel. So, for today, I'm going to be taking us along to a day in my life at home in quarantine. Currently, it's 6:30 a.m. I woke up an hour ago and I'm done with all my tasks of my morning routine. As always, I made myself a pretty detailed to-do list and scheduled out my day with lectures. I started with English. I made my own notes for a few chapters because I find it more comfortable to read from my own notes rather than book or any other notes. I was actually expecting myself to upload a lot during this quarantine season, but most of my days these past few weeks have been pretty unfruitful. I know for most of us it's hard to study during this time, but this had to stop and we should make ourselves more productive. It's nearly 8:45 am. Now I will take shower and then I will eat my breakfast. I have 3 online lectures from 10 to 11, then 11 to 12 pm, and the third one from 12 pm to 1 pm. Due to some issue, the last class, that is from 12 to 1 pm class, was cancelled. So I was free after 12 pm. I binged on some videos, then I started painting, which is incomplete because of lunchtime. Today is Earth Day, so happy Earth Day! As the world is going through tough times, let's play together to save this earth with the best practices. After lunch, I took a nap. From 4 pm, I was supposed to do quantitative aptitudes, but I could not resist myself to complete the painting I started this afternoon. After eating my snacks, I am doing my notion for the questions for the lectures I did earlier this day and reasoning. The chapter is blood relation. So once I finished that, I moved on to the next task, that is current affairs. I will try to do the current affairs for this whole month slowly. I just started today. I thought of writing them on my copy, but I was perplexed with all those different subsections of current affairs. So I moved to writing it on my laptop, where it's going smoothly. Monthly compilations of current affairs are also available in the market, but I prefer my own notes. I ate my dinner at 8:30. Then I came to the canopy. It's cool and calm. I just love to come here after dinner. This is the last study session of the day. There are many apps where you can find small tests of reasoning, English, aptitude, each of 10 marks with a duration of 10 to 15 minutes for each. I gave 3 tests of 10 marks each for 3 subjects. Then I checked the solution for the questions I could not answer or I made wrong. Okay, that's all for today. Stay at home and stay safe. Stay productive. See you soon. Bye.